Welcome to this tutorial. How to add error bars in Excel. This is a demo Excel sheet to show a sales record, and we will track the variations in it. Select the data that you want to add to the error bars. In the top menu, click on the Insert tab. Under the Chart section, select a 2D line chart. This is showing sales variation in the chart. At the top right in the chart window, click on the plus icon. Check the box of error bars and then click on the next arrow to open the sub-menu. From the drop-down list, click on the More options. Select a data series and click on OK. For demo purpose, we selecting the percentage in the error amount. We have inserted the 20% value to see the variation. Now, you can see the error bars has been added. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.